This is an old story, probably early 2000s, from the father of my friend. He's now retired, but at the time, he was second in command of one of the infantry companies in the locally stationed Army unit. At the time, he was 6'3", same in width because of lots of muscles. All the names and details in the story are changed as he acts. He was in a grocery store off-duty, wearing jeans and a tan t-shirt. Employees were in all green with their name tags and company logo. He was looking for some pasta for dinner with his wife. He had a free weekend, and it was Friday afternoon. Suddenly, some Karen, blonde-haired, the hair that says, "I want your manager to give me a discount," in pink clothes, she gets behind him. He thinks she's minding her own business and getting something for herself, so he keeps thinking about which pasta he should choose when the lady clears her throat. Well, once is no big deal. Maybe she had a little cough, he thought to himself. Then the second time, louder, so he turns and asks, "Do you want something from me, ma'am?" What an attitude. Where is X brand flour? I don't know. Ask some employee. You really have a nerve. Get me your manager. I want you fired, you lazy jerk. So my friend's dad thought it'd be funny, and since he had a cell number for his commander, who should also be going home today, while the third in command should handle the night shift, and he'd call him in any case necessary. So he called his commander. At the time, Karen looked like she already bought the whole store and fired the manager too. "What is it, Joe?" "Yeah, I got a Karen here who'd like to speak to my manager. You mind if I put you on speaker?" "Go on." He was very cool and friendly, and after the situation, he laughed at it too. He put her on speaker. "Ma'am, this is Lieutenant Matthew Smith, commander of the 37th Infantry Company, 2nd Infantry Regiment. May I know what you want from my subordinate?" At this time, Karen instantly got red. Even her clothes changed a little as he said it. She immediately rushed out of the store. It turned out some employee was watching the situation and said to him that this was the 5th time she'd done this sort of thing, and not even once did she ask a proper employee. I don't know if alternate is a proper word. English isn't my first language. Edit. Exchange alternate for subordinate. Thanks for your help. Go grab a box so you can take home your computer. Hey folks, just a short one. This happened 3 weeks ago, just before our city went into enhanced community quarantine. I work in a call center, and my dad works in a call center. Our offices are 2 separate buildings, but are next to each other. He works night shift, I work day shift. I always go over to my dad's office when I arrive so I can catch up with him and we can talk, etc. To the story. I arrive at my office at 6:50 a.m. Shift starts at 8, but my dad gets off at 7. After placing my things in my locker, I go outside. As I go outside, I stop walking to text my dad that I'll be waiting for him in the lobby of his office. This is when I get approached by an employee of his office who we'll call Gary. Gary, "Hey there." Me. "Hey." Gary was silent for a moment, then says, "Did you grab a box already?" "Sorry, what?" "A box. Did you grab one already?" "What for?" "Didn't you read the email? So we can start working from home." At this point, I also thought Gary worked in my office under a different account. "Oh, really? Great. Yeah, have IT set it up for you." "Okay, thanks." I start to head back inside our office building. "Wait, you don't work over at generic company name?" No, I don't. I thought you worked over here at a different account." "Oh, no. Sorry about that." And Gary ran off. Never saw Gary again. We did meet with my dad, and I told him about it and had a laugh. Our office did eventually send us home the following week, and now I'm working from home. Not taking trash is sexual assault? First time Reddit poster here. I don't know if this counts, but oh well, buckle down for a long explanation. Some background. I'm a plumber, and I'm only 18. I went to trade school for high school and came out with a full-time job as an apprentice. This story